Welcome to Zoomers RV. Today we have for sale a 2000 Forest River Sierra model 33 FKSS. This unit was a local trade-in. Very good condition for the year. It's nice and clean. Nice aluminum sides, no delamination. 2 propane bottles on the front and a good battery. One big front super slide out. Has front and rear leveling jacks. Roof AC, max air roof vents. The stripes are good. Tires have good tread. Basement storage here in the rear. Has sewer hoses. Freshwater fills also there in the back. Has a nice big awning. We just had it opened. Front and rear entrance doors. Rear entrance doors goes into the bedroom. Front entrance door in the living room. Again, the tires are good. Excellent tread. Six lug wheels. We'll walk inside. It has a front kitchen on the right. Has a Dometic refrigerator and freezer. Super clean. 3-burner Magic Chef stove and oven. Also super clean. Overhead vent. Stove vent there. Double sink. Microwave oven with turntable. All the cabinets in this unit are hardwood. It's a very nice unit. Has linoleum here in the vinyl here in the kitchen. Carpet throughout the rest of the unit. Carpet's in good shape. Has a big dinette booth that makes into a bed here on the right, and the big super slide out, and a full-size couch. It has a hide bed inside. The cushions on the dinette nor the couch are worn and torn. They're very good conditions, especially for being 13 years old. On the left, it has a nice easy chair, place for a TV, stereo system with surround sound speakers. This unit does have the keys. In the middle of the camper is the bathroom. On the left, it has 3 closet doors, cabinets, and some drawers. On the right is the bathroom with a stool, cabinet, sink, medicine cabinet, and a big corner glass shower. The shower is a tub shower. Very big and very nice shape. Onto the back is the rear bedroom. Has a full queen walk-around bed, overhead cabinets, and a place for a TV in the corner. This unit is very clean on the inside. For being 13 years old, it is very nice. No water damage, central air. Nice unit. Thanks for looking.